Hey, I'm Brianna. This is Bring It Back, and this week we are going to make a hose holder for my nice new hose. This thing was expensive, so let's give it a nice proper home and a place that's functional and not rolled up on the ground outside of this door. So let's just do a little DIY makeover. First things first. This white, I think it just is so stark against this. And then my little hose holder, I want to paint this the same color as this, so it just kind of blends in and what you see is the hose. So I bought some paint at a creative reuse store. It's a store that people it's just a store that people donate used things to, and someone donated this beige interior exterior paint in the color softer tan. It looks like it's a good color match, and it was 50 cents. So we're gonna paint this pot, and then after that I want to paint some cute little designs on the pot. I want it to look like 1990s DIY. Very specific aesthetic I'm going for, just homegrown vibes. And I got some paint for that too from the Creative Reuse store for 25 cents each. So let's get to painting.
Ugh, disgusting. Oh, disgusting. Oh, what the?
Let's paint this. Whoa. I feel like spray paint would have been better, but this is what they had. That's a pretty good match. So if you're wondering what's going on with our dog and why he's in a cone, when we adopted him, he had a lump on his leg, and then last week the lump popped and now there's an open wound. And to keep him from licking it, and to keep him from licking off the antibiotic ointment that we have to put on twice a day, he is in a cone for the next 2 weeks. Alright, so I've painted the whole thing. One side of it is already drying and it feels matte. Like this is the exact texture that I wanted. I was okay if it was going to be glossy, but this matte was perfect. Let's do another layer. Well, I'm going to keep painting this. I'll come back when we're ready to do our next layer of painting, which is going to be the flowers. I've got to figure out what kind of flowers I want to put on here. We'll be right back. We did it! Look at that! She is beige. I'm gonna start painting, because that's what you do when you got this outfit on. You just gotta paint. You just gotta go where the wind blows, you know? We are in the studio. I also have some stamps, but I don't know if I'll use those. Let's see where the wind takes us. Oh yeah, that's coming together. Let's start painting. And I know you're kind of thinking, that looks like seaweed. Trust it. Trust the process. Stop judging me. because I'm judging me enough. There is rain coming, and this is not a good place to be. I feel like I've got like 30 minutes before this rain comes. As I have been outdoors doing more and more of these activities, I've become more one with nature. Losing my son, losing my mom. I wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Let's see if we can do some leaves. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting dark and it's getting windy. You can't tell. It looks amazing. It looks so great out here. This is the perfect lighting. I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, two things. It's looking good. One. Number two. The rain is coming, and I don't know if you can tell. I don't think it looks that bad on camera, but the thunder is palpable. So we're gonna pack everything up. We're gonna go inside, and I might just save this for tomorrow because it's dinner time and I'm hungry. Also, I think there's lightning. All right, welcome back. That storm was absolutely crazy, and we got pretty lucky that we did not get any damage, just a lot of rain really quickly. So I took all of it inside, and now we're back. We're back. It looks like seaweed at the moment, but we're gonna start painting some flowers on and hopefully not screw it up. And at the end of the day, I'm the artist, it's my perspective. Let's just have fun. I need you to be really big. I may actually, because the stem is so thick, I think I need you to be bigger. Sometimes I think I should have just gone to art school, you know? Like, I thought I was being so smart getting a degree in economics when I have zero passion for that. I genuinely was like, art school will never get you anywhere. But business school teaches you how to budget your own personal finances. Because at the end of the day, all I really wanted was to own my own place, own my own store. Be honest, is that ugly? Alright. We are making progress, and we're still we have no idea what we're doing. I keep forgetting that the main point of this is not to paint, but it's to have a place for my garden house to be. This is a part of it, but it's not the main thing. Okay, we did it. This is what she's looking like. Not great on all sides. I feel like I need to add something to that. Alright, so next I'm going to spray it with some polyurethane, and then I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'll start filling it up with some soil and figure out how we're gonna do this, how we're gonna place it, and how it's gonna work. So I'll be back once this is dried and after it's polyurethaned. All right, we are back. It is about 4 billion degrees out here, so the hat is staying on because it's kind of gross up there, and it is what it is, you know. We all get like that. Let's put some soil in here and let's see what happens. I have some extra soil that I used for some other potting earlier this month. Now, let's stick it in. Did I think it would immediately stay by itself? Yes. Now that we know, let me go get this other bag of soil. Dumb. Did I think this was a brilliant idea? Yes. Is it working? No. The hose is too heavy for the pot. We're gonna pivot. Putting in bricks, because the main issue was that this wasn't heavy enough. So we're going to put in bricks, and we're going to put the soil back in and see how this fares. Do we think that's cute? I don't know, but let's see if it can hold the weight of the 100-foot hose. This is the 100-foot hose without water in it. Better. Okay, now we're gonna hook up the hose. I just realized I don't have my glasses on. No wonder why I'm getting so close to the camera. Now we're gonna hook up the hose and see if the weight of the 100-foot hose can be held by just some bricks and soil. so heavy. They're literally so heavy. Oh. We made the cute little hose holder. It's really cute. It's exactly what I thought it would be. It took a little bit more work than I thought it would, but I really like it. And that's all I got this week. That kind of took a lot of work. I would suspect this would take you, I think, a full day. If you start in the morning, give yourself time to do it, mostly for the paint to dry. It's a really easy project, and you can knock it out on a Saturday for sure. So let me know if there's any other DIYs that you want me to try, and I'll give it a go. This one I just had in my head, so if there's anything else you've been wanting to try but haven't really figured out how you'd get it done, or if it's really feasible, let me know. And feasibility for this, not great. And I don't think I think I knew it wasn't going to be great. I just didn't anticipate the weight of the water in the 100-foot hose. So that's on me. Water's heavier than you think. So that's a learning curve. I don't know how long this will last. I don't know if it will be functional. I'm going to have to find a more permanent solution. But for right now, she's cute. She's real cute, and I got to paint, so what a great day. All right, I'll see you next week. That's all I got. I'll see you guys next week. Later.